Hello, everyone. In this video I will guide you through on how to clear your storage by deleting unwanted files and other types of things that may occur to your storage. Okay, let's get started. Click the search bar and search Run. In the Run search bar type temp. And guys, the commands I'm using in the video will be on the description too if you like to copy and paste. Alright guys, as everybody can see, these are the unwanted files that make your storage full. To delete, you can select with the mouse, or use the shortcut of using Ctrl+A. Make sure skip these files when deleting. All the files a option will pop up like this, and skip these. Okay, again, let's go to Run and search %temp%. Delete these files too, these are unwanted files. Make sure the recycle bin also emptied out. Alright, now search prefetch. Delete these files too. Don't worry guys, these are not important files, these are the files that occur to your storage. Now go to the File Explorer and search in the search bar, size. Gigantic, this shows the files that are in highest gigabyte in your PC. So right here, as you guys can see, I have a gigantic file in my PC. If you guys have any gigantic file, make sure to delete it. And you guys can search medium size and small size files in your PC. Okay guys, now next one is by going to the settings. Go to the apps. And in this place you guys can see there are the apps that are on the PC that are downloads, as if my some apps has 2 GB worth size. Okay, now go to the File Explorer and go to the local disk C and check if there's any folder called window.old, and if there's a file, delete the file. That files guys is to revert your Windows to an older version. For example, you don't like Windows 11, you guys can use the folder to make it to Windows 10. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Make sure you all subscribe for my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.